How to add Cronos on MetaMask. Are you guys facing issues to add Cronos on MetaMask application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaMask on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. Once you get logged in, now tap on plus icon. After you click on plus icon, tap on search bar and search for Cronos. In order to add Cronos on MetaMask, just simply tap on this box icon and hit the next button. You can see the option for import, tap on it. As soon as you click on import, Cronos will be added on MetaMask application. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna add Cronos on MetaMask application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding MetaMask, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.